Introducing the DEEPOWER G20 electric bike, the ultimate 20-inch fat tire folding e-bike designed for versatility and performance. From sandy beaches to snowy trails, the G20 has got you covered. Equipped with 20-inch by 4-inch Chaoyang fat tires, the DEEPOWER G20 easily adapts to various roads, providing exceptional traction and support for a safer ride. Experience the freedom to ride anywhere. Whether you're cruising on the beach, climbing mountains, tackling snowy paths, or commuting through the city, these tires ensure a smooth and stable ride. Powered by a high-efficiency 250W motor with 60 Nm torque, the G20 reaches top speeds of 25 km per hour. The 48V 25AH removable lithium battery offers a range of 20 to 35 miles on a single charge, taking only 4 to 6 hours to recharge. Ride comfortably with the G20's shock-absorbable aluminum frame and lockable suspension fork, providing reliable cushioning and durability. Navigate rough terrain effortlessly and enjoy a smoother ride. Safety is paramount with the DEEPOWER G20. Equipped with front and rear mechanical disc brakes, experience excellent and stable braking performance for confident and secure rides. Customize your ride with 3 distinct modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and pedal only. The Shimano 7-speed gear system allows for precise control and adaptability to various riding conditions. Stay informed with the intuitive LCD display, showing real-time data on your speed, battery level, distance traveled, and any faults. Ride confidently at night with the bright LED headlight and brake light, ensuring visibility and safety during low-light conditions. Designed for modern convenience, the DEEPOWER G20 folds easily for storage and transportation. Whether you're on an adventure or commuting, this bike fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Join the DEEPOWER community. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and exciting adventures.